What's up guys? Another na po guys na maglalaban silang mga championship ni sila guys. Mga Free Fire. Panoorin to guys. Philippines versus Malaysia. Uyaw kay ilang kuang guys, ilang kuha ilang intro. Panoorin to guys. Sa naglalaro ng Free Fire.
Let's go. This is my last game. Game 3 of the event today. Game 3. Let's go. Good luck,
Guys.
Team PH and Team MY. What happened? What will be the result of this game is so it's not important. The important is do you accept my invitation to make this friendly guild war? And thank you to the all the Malaysian community out there. Thank you from Matisa Gaming and to all the PH community out there. Thank you so much.
Philippines versus
Let's go the game.
Malaysia. Mga lindot.
Okay. Team
Pare,
1.
maayo ba ni
AB
Malaysia
here in
guys?
the peak. Team 2 MPH here in the peak. Team 3 ABG here in the Mars Electric Argon in the factory. Pink Lady here in the hangar. Mindset here in the Kotatua. Wild Dog here in the mirror. Bang Lima here in the Pochinok. Boards here in the Mars Electric. Grey Ember here in the Bullseye. Nick Camila here in the Rimnam. And Empty here in the Bimasao strip. So let's go. Let's see what will happen. Something happened here. ABG versus
Yeah,
Sports.
guys.
ABG versus Sports. ABG versus
Yeah,
Sports. Got taking damage of each other. Sports Jaws is first blood. First blood for the ABG.
Blood na
Sports
lang, guys.
Pool. Let's see. ABG Jacob. ABG Pussy is down. ABG Pussy is down. MPH and ABG.
Maayo kasi lang
Got
dulo
damaging
guys.
also. Let's see. ABG and MPH got warring. Warring also. ABG World Panda showering bullet from Gansa. Gansa is down here. Esteban is down. Esteban is down. Boypet is down. World Panda is down. Sheila is alive. Tracy is alive. Let's see. MPH Ren is alive. Let's see what will happen. AB Tracy is down.
Wala daw,
Eliminated. AB is eliminated in the game. MPH is all complete.
Maayo kasi lang guys.
So let's go back to the game.
Napildi man
ABG, only
Philippines.
one left. Iceman is the only one left.
Daog man Malaysia.
Argon is here. Going to the Mars. Going to my Mars. And ABG is the only one left. Iceman is being hurt. Being hurt by Argon Pablo. Let's see what will happen. Let's see it will survive. It will be survive. I will survive. Hey. Oh my god. Argon Yusuf. Argon Sue. And then Argon Casper. Argon Pablo is taking in ABG Iceman. ABG Iceman is the only one left in the ABG. Cause the two ABG is kill. And one is no password. And his cannon. No passport.
No
Hindi na
passport.
nakapasok dito. Oh my
No
god.
passport.
Silent
Passport.
move by the Argon. Nice move. Grabe yung galawan ng Argon. Napakatahimik ng galawan. Silent move by the Argon dito. Argon Iceman is being delicate. Argon soon is there. Oh my god.
Ala,
Oh my god.
natrap.
Oh my god.
Patay.
ABG is
Dugo ka.
being eliminated by the Argon. So let's see what the next scenario. Okay, dahil puro PH na naglalaban dito, MY naman na maglalaban dito. Mika Mila, and Big Lady.
Ala, patay.
And down.
Down
Mika
na on.
Shark Ma. Oh my god, sorry. Mika Mila is down. Mika Mila is down. Oh my god, Ports is down. Port is down there. Port is down. Two Ports. Port is down. Wait lang. Let's see. Port is down. Only Borge Caryas is the only one left. Here. Oh my god. I think
Ay, siya di isa.
she's lag or what?
Maayo ba ni be?
Wait lang. Something happened. Something Here,
namatay
something happened
Japon.
here. MT1 lang. JM is down by mindset. Mindset. Down. Down by Don. Down by Don. Back mindset. Mindset. Oh my God. Mindset versus
Lulu.
empty. Mindset
Lulu.
versus empty. Oh my God. Down. Matador is down. Matador is down. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wow, what the-
Mindset is being so good in the hood. Okay, massacre time is wipe out. And mindset wipe out the massacre time. 2 mindset left. But Matisa is your darling. Disapproved password. Let's see. Okay, wait lang. Only 8 team left. Misfits. Argon. Wait, Argon. Wait lang. Patayin nito. Argon versus Panglima. Panglima is down. Legend is down. Legend is down there. Argon on the back. Argon on the back. Argon on the back. Tutuloy na ba? Ay, tutuloy na ba? Kill. Shotgunning. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Tignan naman natin dito. Argon versus Panglima. Shotgunning. Shower bullet. Shower bullet. Only one left. Oh my God. Panglima explosion. It's also eliminated by the Argon. Argon is so eliminated. Umayok pa. Argon doing a great job here. Argon doing a great job here. Oh my goodness. What a nice move by the Argon. What a nice move.
Paspas kay lag.
What a nice move. Oh my God.
May kay sila mo ka na dula kay
The
paspas
situation
kay
is
lihok.
so...
Ako hinay kay
It's a
kumilihok guys.
ceasefire. Okay, let's check. Argon, 1. Pink Lady, 2. Grey Empire, 3. Mindset, 4. Nika Mila is 5.
Cellphone ang uban. Ang uban po dyan. PSP.
From the Malaysian and 2 teams from the Philippines are left. Okay? 7 teams. 7 teams left. Let's go. Okay, so it's time for me. Okay, it's time for me to be angry. Oh my God. It's time to take a relax because there's so... If you see in the map, the situation is so... But wait. I think there's something will be happen here. Something will be happen here. Oh my God. Argon is here on the lower side, but MPH on the higher side. Higher side? What man? Isa pa. So let's take relax. Relax again. Relax muna tayo dito. Relax muna tayo Lodi because Panglima is my kid. Sorry. Oh my God. Panglima! Patin! Panglima is your kid! Oh my God! Oh my God! Shout out to your kid, Panglima! Patin, Samira, shout out! I hope someday we can play each other in a ranking.
Yeah, okay.
Nakapag-asawa si Knight. Go MPH, sabi ni Apo. MY versus MY. Oh my God. PH versus PH also. Yung number Matisa. Go mindset. So let's round robin the camera. Okay. Nika Mila is on team 11. One on their team is no password also. Ayoko na duguin na. Duguin nilong ko dyan. One team is also no password. Okay. Here in team 10, Grey Empire. They're all 4. Team 7, Wild Dogs. They're all 4. Team 6, Mindset. They 2 left. 2 left, di ba bulaklak yun? Pink Lady. Still 4 left. Still 4 left. Alive. Team 4, Argon. 4 left also. Okay. One team 2, MPH. 4 left also. They got all 1 kill. Okay. Sumayaw pa nga si Boyface. Boyface is dancing in, emoting each other. Okay. Let's see the map. see the map. Oh my god! Oh my god, wait lang. There's something happened.
Namatay.
PL, Pink Lady! Pink Lady! Pink Lady!
Sulong.
Pink Lady!
Sulong sila doon.
And ni Camila. I think they're getting engaged each other. Ni Camila is only two. Only two versus the poor Pink Lady. Oh my god! She entered the room. But there's two in there. She entered the wrong room. Oh my god, wipe out. Ni Camila is wiped out also by the Pink Lady. Pink Lady. Kill the Ni Camila Guild and wipe out. So good in Malay. Shout out to Patin Shamira. Shout out to you, your kid. Palima. Shout out. Let's check again the area. Mindset. X.
Tago sila.
Dalawa sila dito. There's two.
Marunong.
Pink Lady. Idol.
Mga
Conti.
marunong. Yawan ni mga kontra, mga marunong. Nanago.
Nandiyan pa, Wild Dog Ay. Wild Dog to. Isipat na po rito. Wild Dog's Batman is sniping. The two, mindset, over on the watchtower. Yes! Anong bansa? Wild Dog's Batman, Sai, Popper, and Suryo. Gray Empire, Stephen, Pikang, X-Coop,
Gawas ka ulo. Sniper jud karon.
MPH. Oh my god, MPH and Pink Lady. Let's see if they will engage each other. Let's see MPH versus the MPH. MPH versus Pink Lady. Let's see what will happen. Bagong-bago, Judge Tay. Go Batman. Please set us in. I think they gotta engage each other. Argon. Pink Lady. Mindset. Wild Dog. Gray Empire. MPH. Argon. So, we need to relax now so that our boys is... Yung paano sa... Hindi na, nadoble lang sa akin. Yung paano sa Pink Lady alam nila kung saan sila lulugar. Alam ng Pink Lady kung saan sila lulugar.
Patay.
Mindset got damaged here. Mindset got hurt by the Wild Dogs. Wild Dogs showering bullet from the Mindset here. But unfortunately, but Pink Lady is here also in the factory. So let's see what will happen to the Wild Dogs. What will be the future of the Wild Dogs here? They're going to the factory. They're entering the factory. Wild Dogs entering the factory. Oh. Wild Dogs entering the factory. Super and Batman. Oh my god. Let's see if will be engaged. Oh my god. If you see, Cassie is on the left side here. Anytime she will come out and go to this place, and they hit Wild Dogs here. And on my idea lang Kalat. Oh, Mindset Argon is getting awaying sila ron. Nag-aaway po rito. Wild Dogs versus Argon. X-Gun is down. X-Gun is down. Oh my god. Grenade launcher pa more. Oh my god, dito something happened here. MPH versus Pink Lady. MPH Pink Lady. MPH here down. MPH here is being down here. They entered the dragon. He entered the dragon. Let's see if MPH can revive Shira. But I don't think so. Because PL No Mercy is there. Oh my god, Batman is there. Bakit mo pinatay si Shira? Sabi ni Batman. Bakit mo pinatay si Shira? Bakit? Someone down. PL Cobra is down. There. PL Cobra. Oh my god, I think wipe out. Oh my god, PL. Kumi. Kill. Lady. Pink Lady is being eliminated. Pink Lady is being eliminated. Wild Dog Stopper, Wild Dogs Batman, and MPH Boyd Page. MPH Ren is the only one left here in the PH Argon. And Grey Empire is the only one. 2 on 2. 2 on 2. 2. 2. Uy, pinasok na. Pinasok na rito. Pinasok na rito. Tuper, huwag kang magulo, Tuper. Tsaka lang, huwag kang gagalaw, Tuper. Tuper, huwag kang gagalaw, Tuper. Oh my God, MPH Ren. Shotgunning. Taksak si Tuper. Lamunin mo. Lamunin mo, Tuper. Lamunin mo ang bala ng shotgun ko. Kanina ka pa nag-aala mo ng bala ng shotgun, ha? Hindi ka ba nabubusog, Tuper? Oh my God. Only 14 steps. Only 14
Pwede
steps.
yung mukha ng bat.
On the wild gig.
Kinsa na yung
Wild
nagkuhan.
dogs. 1 on the wild dogs.
Nagsulti-sulti.
2 on the MPH. Point Face and Ren. 4 on the Grey Empire. And 3 on the Argon. Let's see what will happen next. Let's see what will happen next. So far so good. Grey Empire is on the safe zone. Where the MPH is being dedicated here. MPH is being dedicated. MPH Ren is down. MPH Ren is being down there. MPH Ren is being down. And I think Void Face is being dedicated. Showering bullet on the Argon. Argon. Showering bullet on the Argon. Left and right and front and back and back. Grey Empire. Kill Argon Pablo. So Void Face is still alive. He's still alive and kicking. Argon Pablo is being down, but Argon is here to revive his fellowship. Fellowship. Let's go. What will happen next? On the safe zone. On the safe zone, here in the middle. Showering bullet on the Argon. MPH Void Face is being dedicated.
No,
Wipe
patay.
out. Wipe out. MPH is wiped out by the
Open the
Argon.
Malaysia. Dog Philippines.
My God. Grey Empire and Argon.
Awa pa de.
Grey Empire and Argon. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Batman, what will you gonna do? You are the only PH left in this team. Let's see. Batman kill Pablo. I think it's down. Pablo is down. Pablo is down. And she revive also. Let's see Batman. Batman, he can survive. He can survive. He can survive. Batman, you can survive. Tell me if you can survive. Batman, tell me if you can survive. Batman, tell me if you can survive. Batman, you can survive. Tell me. Tell me if you can survive. Stop. Keep on.
Gawin
Stop
na
the
lang.
sun. Stop the sun.
Patay
Oh
sa
my
sun.
God. Batman
Iwanan
is
kayo.
surviving. Batman is surviving in the game.
Sugod! Kung patay! Sugod!
Yelling by the Argon. Oh my God.
Patay!
Argon got the booyah.
At,
Congratulations, Pong.
ay, kayo sila guys. Wala na mga kwan guys. Mga players. Dito ko to guys. Don't forget, please subscribe mo sa akong YouTube channel guys. Like mo, share mo. Paalam.